and take a look at the 2022 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.